Yep, looks like we need new wipers. ...2009 Mercedes ML350, we are replacing the front wipers. Now this kit came with a rear wiper as well, but our rear wiper is still good, so we're only replacing the front ones. Now the sizes. For the driver side, it's 28 inch, and for the passenger side, it's 21 inch. Now alternatively, you can also use 26 inch for the driver side and 22 inch for the passenger side. Now just make sure that when you buy your wiper blades, you get the pinch to tab attachment, because this vehicle uses the pinch to tab attachment for the wiper system. Start by raising up the wiper arm away from the windshield. Now before taking out the wiper blade, put a foam or cloth or towel on the windshield area so that in case the wiper arm falls back on the windshield while the wiper blade is out, it will protect it from getting damaged or cracked. Now as mentioned, this vehicle uses the pinch to tab attachment system. What you're going to do is squeeze on the fins at the bottom to release from the lock, then tilt and shift up to remove from the wiper arm. So once you have it released from the bottom, you push it upward to release from the tab on top on the wiper arm. And this is the fins that you squeeze in that locks on the wiper arm. Here's the set of wiper blades that I purchased as replacement, and I bought this from eBay. Now this is the size that matches the driver's side wiper blade, so let's open it up. Alright, seems to be longer. Oh no, my mistake, it's almost the same. And as you can see, it also has the pinch tab attachment. That is very important. So here's the side-by-side comparison. Although we still have the cover for the wiper blade. Let's install it. Now let's install the new wiper blade. Slide the end tab of the wiper arm onto the top of the wiper blade. Make sure it sits well. Now squeeze the fins at the bottom to clear the bottom edge. There you go. As you can see, it locked in place. Now let's replace the other side as well. So raise the arm away from the windshield, then move your towel or soft foam to protect this area of the windshield. Now it's gonna be a bit harder to reach, but you should be able to reach it. Press on the bottom, squeeze it in, and shift upward. And there you go. Here's the old passenger side wiper blade, and here's the new one. I already opened the plastic bag, so our process is faster. And as you can see, it has the same attachment mechanism, pinch to tab or PTB. So let's install this new one. Now let's install the passenger side wiper blade. Slide the end tab of the wiper arm on the wiper blade and squeeze in at the bottom so that it locks in place. Okay, it's gonna be a bit tricky, but you should be able to wiggle it in. Just make sure that the front sits correctly. There you go. As you can see, it locked in place. Now we can take out our towel, take out the cover for the wiper blade, and push down the wiper arm. Do on the other side as well. Just ignore Alson at the background. He's looking at our car. Now let's test our new wipers. As you can see, it's super quiet now. And it's cleaner. Yay!
Yes!
And that is how to replace the front wiper blades on this 2009 Mercedes ML350. Now, if you want a link for this package that I bought for the wiper blade replacement, I'll put it on the description below. Thank you for watching.